Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. It is time to find the winner of the Mass Monday I Won, So Can You from Wicked Awesome Lifestyles that I had won, and then I turned around and we're having a giveaway, and I have the URL up. I have the filter for duplicates, filter for specific word, which was wicked. We have 6 plus 9 is 15, and let's see how many comments we had. We had a total of 55 unique comments that entered for this giveaway, and I want to wish you all the best of luck, and we're going to get this party started. Of course, you had to be 18 years or older. You had to have an address within the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell and Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. And YouTube and or any of the products shown had nothing to do with this giveaway. So who is the winner? Who is the winner? Who is it? It's Jean Michaeloff. Is that how you say your name, Jean? Congratulations. She says, love those Wicked Awesome Lifestyle ladies. They really are a hoot. And congratulations to you, Jean. Now I am going to pop over and see if she is publicly subscribed to me and to Wicked Awesome. Okay guys, I'm back. It's official. Jean is our winner. Jean, you have 48 hours to contact me at MissJackieRussell@yahoo.com, and I will get your package out as soon as I can. I want to thank you all for participating, and let's all congratulate Jean. And be sure and check my descriptions. I have several giveaways and or collaborations that are starting or ending, and you have another opportunity to win. As for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.